Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Measure and set out ingredients: 200 g dry pasta, 2 5-oz cans of tuna in water, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 clove garlic, 1 lemon, and a handful of parsley for garnish. Bring 3 liters of salted water to a rolling boil and add 1 tablespoon salt so the pasta seasons while cooking. Open the tuna cans and drain one can fully. Reserve the other can with a little liquid for richness. Mince garlic and zest half the lemon. Reserve 1 cup pasta water before draining to adjust sauce consistency later. Add the 200 g pasta to the boiling water and cook for 8 to 10 minutes until al dente, checking at 8 minutes to avoid overcooking. While pasta boils, heat a skillet over medium, add 2 tablespoon olive oil, and sauté 1 clove minced garlic for 30 seconds to 1 minute until fragrant but not browned. Flake the drained tuna with a fork and stir it into the garlic oil to heat through. Add the reserved tuna liquid teaspoon by teaspoon if it looks dry. Season with 1/4 tsb black pepper and a pinch of red pepper flakes if desired. Drain pasta, reserving 1 cup pasta water, and add the drained pasta to the skillet with the flaked tuna and garlic oil. Add 1/2 cup reserved pasta water and toss vigorously to emulsify the sauce so it coats the pasta. Add more water tablespoon by tablespoon if needed. Finish with 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tsb lemon zest, 2 tablespoon chopped parsley, and 1 tablespoon grated cheese if you like. Taste and add salt if needed. Serve immediately with an extra drizzle of 1 tsb olive oil and extra parsley as garnish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.